Congratulations for scheduling your free strategy call. My name is Coach Patrick. I'm a weight loss coach, nutrition coach, personal trainer, and owner of Perform and Transform. During the free strategy call, what I want to do is get to know you a little bit more, get to know your fitness goals, give you some proven tips, strategies, and techniques to help you along with your fitness journey, and also give you an opportunity to learn more about me, my team, my services. And if I feel like you're a good fit, I'd love to introduce you to one of my online programs. But there's absolutely no pressure. It's free. It's a really relaxed conversation. You're going to need to set aside 10 to 15 minutes, have a quiet space, have a pen and paper ready to go. We're going to be doing our call via video. So it'll either be a Facebook video or a Zoom video. And for your homework, what I want you to do is go through the weight loss deep talks that I've sent you. If you don't have this, click the link below. I'll make sure you get a free copy. Also go through the mini training series that I have below. And if you have any questions, I'd love to answer all your questions during our strategy call. And I hope you get the most value during our strategy session together. And I can't wait to help you out on your fitness journey.